Welcome to Be Amazed 254. Please subscribe to the channel and remember to turn on notification. Coming at number 14, Sarah Hassan and Anita Ndaru. Sarah, who is a celebrated actress, and Anita, who is a broadcaster and brand developer, are first cousins in real life. The two beauty queens, graced with killer smiles and fashion, share a close bond. They have been seen together on several occasions and even support each other in life, an example being Anita organizing Sarah's baby shower. Number 13. Shimano and Barb. Rambaka. Sauti Sol band member Willis Austin Shimano in the year 2020 let fans in on his personal life, revealing that he has a big sister who is a radio presenter with a local station. Ms. Mbaka is a presenter at standard group urban radio station Spice FM, where she hosts the Adults in the Room show every weekday from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. According to her, before their parents welcomed their young brother, Shimano enjoyed being the last born and only son for so long. He also had snitch tendencies when they were younger, said Barbara. Number 12. Bamzigi, Kidkora and Lenana. Bamzigi, a hip-hop star who, a while back, made his highly anticipated comeback in the lyrical video From Nigani, has some very famous siblings. His brother Kidkora is a member of the wildly successful Kanzi group. At the same time, Lenana is a reputable actor known for stellar roles in Changing Times and House of Lungila, among others. Coming at 11 is the Kemani siblings. Victoria, Bamboo, and Kimya are all into music, with the brothers rapping and Victoria singing. But they are not just your everyday musicians. Kimya and Bamboo are both respected rappers, while sibling Victoria Kemani is one of the leading female divas in the continent. Bamboo is the eldest. Victoria Kemani and Bamboo once revealed that it was hard for them to pursue the kind of music that they are doing since they come from a Christian family. Number 10. Siku Muriuri and Tony Gachoka. Prolific political activist, strategist, and former Kenyan talk show host Tony Gachoka is a man of many fasts. The fiery media personality made a name for himself in the late 80s and early 90s, years before his sister Siku Muriuri hit the airwaves with a bang. Famed for her Busted segment at Kiss 100, Siku went above and beyond to carve out a niche for herself in the industry, including as a regular columnist on Nation Media Group's Daily Nation. Moving to number 9, the Mbugua siblings. Janet Mbugua is a reputable news anchor and an actress, while her twin Timothy is a creative director at Atlantis Design and a TV model who is most famous for his Access Kenya advertisement. Their elder brother Kevin Samuel Mbugua is well known as Richard Mali in hit TV show Mali. Number 8. Joy and Holy Dave. Even a blind man can see the resemblance between these two. Joy is an actress and a former news and radio presenter. Holy Dave, on the other hand, is a singer and a show host. Before making her grand return to Capital FM, Joy used to anchor news at Citizen TV as well as host the 10/10 show alongside Willis Raburu. At number 7 is Kanzi and Elsie Stevens. Former head of the Presidential Strategic Communication Unit, Kanzi is popular due to her 15-year stellar career as a Swahili broadcaster. What most, however, do not know is that Kanzi is Elsie Stevens' elder sister. Ms. Stevens is a young model who is slowly gaining fame among her peers. On Saturday, October 8, 2019, she was crowned as the first runners-up for the Miss World Kenya beauty pageant, an event that Kanzi attended. Kanzi could not hide her joy and took to social media to congratulate her sister, adding that their late father would be proud of her. Miss Stevens, a beauty queen in her own right, has also participated in other contests, emerging second runners-up in the 2018 edition of the Miss Universe Kenya. Number 6. Mud Trucks and DJ Styles. DJ Styles is one of the pioneer DJs in Kenya. He is an elder brother to Mud Trucks, a popular artist who has released songs with Major and Kidkora under the Console Music Group. Mud Trucks is famous for his songs Get Down, Scamaris, among others. Number 5. Rafton and Daddy Owen. Owen, popularly known as Daddy Owen, is a Kenyan gospel musician and a brother to Roy Smith alias Rafton, who is an award-winning gospel musician. The gospel industry wouldn't be the gospel industry without the contributions of these two brothers. Rafton put the cool in the gospel music with Mwikulu, while Daddy Owen is one of the biggest male gospel artists in the country at the moment. Coming at number 4, Kagia and DNA. Dennis Kagia, commonly known by his stage name DNA, is a household name and has been in the music industry for quite some time. DNA, who is known for his song, Banjuka, is the elder brother to Kagia. Kagia is a famous radio presenter who has worked with 1FM, Classic 105 and Nation FM. Number 3. Eric Omondi and Fred Omondi. Self-proclaimed president of comedy in Africa, Eric Omondi is with no doubt a respected name in the comedy, and his roots can be traced back to Churchill's show where the hustling started. Scaling the heights in the comedy industry, Omondi made sure that his small brother Fred Omondi also creates a name for himself. Currently, Eric and Fred are well-known comedians in Kenya. They have both participated in the Churchill show where their careers blossomed. Moving on to number 2, Trio Mio and Big Ting AP. Trio Mio during one of his many interviews revealed that he is related to fellow rapper Big Ting AP. The duo featured together in a hit dubbed Kanairo. Lastly, coming at number 1, Calligraph Jones and Lama's Span aka KOB. Span is the elder brother to Calligraph and is known for numerous tracks including Scorpion, Fresh, Nikona Form, just to mention a few. The two are rappers and have collaborated together in several top songs including Luku and Kali Cartel 1. Thank you for spending some time with us, we are so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please leave us a like, hit the bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.